G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. Who doesn't love mousse? It's so creamy, so airy, so delicious. But it's also incredibly unhealthy too. This is a healthy version and a delicious version. So join me today as I make my version of a keto mousse. Now you won't be able to get over just how easy this keto mousse recipe is. So I'm going to start off with 2 cups of thickened cream or double cream or whipping cream. And I'm going to place that into a mixing bowl. Then using a hand or stand mixer, we're going to mix this up until we get to a soft peak stage. And we're now at the soft peak stage. See how it's just hanging off the top there? That means it's ready. So now we're going to mix in the rest of our ingredients. So to start off with, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, followed by a couple of tablespoons of stevia. Then lastly, some vanilla extract or vanilla paste. So about a tablespoon worth of that. Then simply whisk it up until it's all completely combined. And while we're whisking it up, don't forget to check the links down below to my Facebook, Instagram and Twitter accounts, as well as my Pinterest, and I've even got toddskitchen.com. Now, I regularly post on my Facebook and Instagram with some funny memes and just general photos of what I'm doing during the day. So please check out my social medias for more Todd's Kitchen. And just as a tip, you'll see it's accumulating cocoa powder and so forth on the outside. Just get a spatula just to brush down the edges, just so we can get it all incorporated properly. And after about 20 seconds, it's done. Some delicious keto-friendly chocolate mousse. So just place it into a container. And that's it. Now just simply place it into the freezer for half an hour to give it a chance to firm up even more, and it's ready. And there we have, straight out of the freezer, our delicious keto chocolate mousse. How simple and easy was that? Literally took just a couple of minutes to prepare and it's done. Now you don't have to put it in the freezer afterwards, but I highly recommend it as it just helps with the texture. So in moderation on a keto diet or on any diet where you want to cut down on your sugar and carbs, this is a perfect treat to have. But the main thing is, oh, that's delicious. It is so creamy, so chilly, and so chocolatey. Just enough sweetness, so it's not overpowered by the stevia, it's just right. So if you have it as a treat or as dessert after a lovely meal, either way, this keto chocolate mousse recipe is going to taste simply delish.